Hey guys, what is going on? If you're not into the gaming videos or whatnot, this is not a gaming video. This is just if one of those that likes the community aspect of everything and you follow me, then this is Wisconsin's winter storm that I kind of tweeted about the other day or whatnot. I don't actually remember. This took place December 19th through the end of like the 21st or something. It started the 18th at midnight, so it lasted about 2.5 days or somewhat around there. And when I say snow blizzard, it just came down like no end, like no mercy. You know, it just took a big shit on us. Pretty much what happened. As you can see, the blue is very dark, heavily snow, and when it was moving, it's not very moving fast. So you probably get like 2 to 3 inches an hour or somewhat, but in the total aspect of everything, we probably got 15 inches from the snowfall from everything. Like I said, 2 days of school, and it ended it with a great longer snow break, snow cancellation, school, whatever. So we got a longer winter break. Excuse me, I guess you can say. And this first clip is I took it with my iPad, and I didn't have it in landscape mode, so everything seems stretched. My bad about that. I guess I was just waking up. I was like, holy shit, let's get this in camera, you know, that kind of thing. So I was like, all right. Then everything was canceled. Everything in the nearby area of where I lived was just canceled. Nothing was going on, and we kind of figured everything would be because, well, they've been broadcasting this since they even first saw it. And I just thought this was really interesting because we don't really see this. This is probably around at 6 o'clock in the morning, and this clip is probably around maybe 3 o'clock in the afternoon on December 19th, I think. So I didn't get the second day snowfall. I just got the first day, and I was going to make a snowman, but I spent like 5 minutes out there. I was like, oh no, and I took out the sound because it's just windy as hell. Like it was just that's all you would hear. It's just annoying. Excuse me. This is my front yard. Well, I guess with cars and whatnot. That car literally had 15 inches of snow on top of it. So it took about 10 or greater more minutes to even clear it up. So that was a bitch. So like I said, guys, this is just like a little Mother Nature video, I guess, because I just thought it was interesting, and just for the community as well, from other people that if they don't live in the U.S., you can see what we get, or people that don't even have any snowfall, you can see what we get. Anyways, guys, I got some little photography pictures at the end, and if you want to follow me on Twitter, my links are all in the description. Amstar_. See you guys later.